Hey, we're here at the early Ford V8 Museum in Auburn, Indiana. This is kind of a last minute addition, so we're not quite sure who's going to show up. But Kelly and I are going to go inside and take a look around and see if anyone wants to join us. And later on, we'll have dinner in Auburn. We'll give you another update once we get inside. Here we are inside the early Ford V8 Museum. We've got an incredible display here, starting with Ford V8s from 1932 to 1938. And the whole display starts with this Model A. These are actually two identical cars, one with the body and one without. The one without the body is there to show us how simple it is. But we've got a complete selection of Ford V8s. There's a full dealership in the back named after the guy that donated most of the cars that started the museum here. They've got a library, a restoration library, and we're going to have a lot of pictures to show you on what we have here, but I wanted to get an overview of it. It's all based on the Ford V8. Not the first V8 made, but the one that put V8s out on the road for everybody. Okay, so there we are. As you can see, the collection focuses on that first generation of Ford V8, but they've got Ford V8s displayed all the way through 1952. So there's a wide variety of things. You know, the garage, the parts, even down to the model car collection. A great place to spend the day. And we also get to see the stainless steel Ford. This is legendary. They made 6 of them. There's only 4 left. One is in a private collection, probably never to be seen again. And then the other 3, and they've got one of them here. It's really a treat to be able to see something like this. I hope you get a chance to see it in person. Meanwhile, I hope you enjoy these pictures.